Hey guys, Karen from Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House Hair Restoration Collection. And have you experienced this? You've been using your favorite styling product for years. Then all of a sudden, it doesn't work. Your curls aren't popping the way they used to. The hairstyle is not lasting. You might get 2 days out the style as opposed to 2 weeks, and you don't know what is going on. Has this ever happened to you? Your hair products stop working. Well, that is what we're going to talk about today. So my mom came to me and said, Karen, I don't understand what's happening. She uses her Design Essentials Daily Moisturizing Lotion. She puts coconut oil in it and Eco Gel. I get those curls popping. Her hair looks fabulous, and she can get like 2 weeks out of her wash and go. Keep in mind, her hair, she has a really short cut as well. So it's not like my hair where it's like really full. She has a lot of hair. No, she has a short cut and she can stretch it for 2 weeks. But as of lately, she's been saying, Karen, I don't know what's happening. Actually, she's been saying, Karen, what are you doing to my hair? Why aren't you doing my hair the way you used to? But anyway, but she's like, I don't know what's happening. My hair is just not lasting the way it used to. The product, I don't know. The product just ain't working. Eco Gel ain't working for me no more. Like, I don't understand it. They change it. So if that happened to you, what is it? Is it the product that's not working, or is it something else? So let's talk about it. So if your hair product isn't working, so if you had your favorite hair product and if it's not working, unless the ingredients in the hair product did in fact change, that could be why the hair product is not working. But normally it's not the hair product. The hair product is the same. Your hair changes. What do you typically do to your hair in a given year? You wash it, you condition it, you detangle it. Some of us, the detangling process is much more challenging than others. You blow dry it. Sometimes you flat iron it. You twist it. You retwist it. You add product after product after product. You get braids. You keep your hair in braids for a month. You don't put moisturizer in it. You may not do protein treatments or deep treatments. Or you might do something like what happened to me. You might go gray. So your hair texture may completely change. So your hair changes. All of those things that I talked about, from the styling to the products and the product buildup, and even going out and being exposed to the sun, all of those things can change the porosity of your hair. So your hair changes, and usually that is why your hair product no longer works, because your texture or your porosity changes. Now, I can relate to this myself. Before I went gray, I used this one product for my twist outs. Oh, I loved it. I still love it now. It's called My Gel. It's not My Gel, but it's My Gel. It's called My Gel. I loved it. I used it in the salon. I could do any hairstyle using this My Gel because it just gave an amazing hold. I absolutely loved it. Then I turned around and went gray. In my hair, ooh, child, my porosity changed. My texture changed. My hair got wiry. My hair got dry. It seemed like it did not hold a curl. When I tried to do a twist out, it looked like a dry mess. When all I did was rock a twist out for 10 years. But my hair changed. So my favorite product didn't change. My hair changed. So I had to switch up my products. So now I do a wash and go. And that is because I can wet my hair almost every day. I have to keep my hair moisturized. I have to keep it hydrated. I even had to change the type of gel that I use to do the wash and go. I had to start using gels that had a high glycerin level in it. Right now, there are several gels that I use, but one of my favorite is by Uncle Funky's daughter, Curly Magic, and it has glycerin in it. I've done videos on how I enhance my curls. If you want to know how to do that, I'll pop that link above. But I had to change the products that I use because what I was using no longer worked. So I'm just stopping in just for a few minutes to encourage you. If your favorite product ain't working, more than likely it is not the product, it is your hair. You have to make some changes to your hair. You have to make changes to your hair product, not your hair. Now, so that's what I had to do with my mom. I had to switch her products up for her, because the Eco, she was right. Her hair did look a mess. It didn't last long at all, but her hair changed too. My mom, even though you can't see it because she dyes her hair black, her hair is gray. Her hair is grayer than mine. It's like white, but she won't rock it white, even though I love it. But her texture has changed. It's not the same anymore. Even though she puts color in it, the hair is still gray. The natural hair is still gray. So I had to switch up what I used in her hair to get her curls popping again. And she's back. As you can see, her curls are popping again. So again, I just encourage you all, if that favorite product is not working, do a little bit of trial and error, switch up your product, and I promise you, there are hundreds of products out here designed for natural hair. You will find something that will be fabulous for you. I did a video on products, my favorite products for wash and go. You might want to check them out. I'll put them up above. If that's something you want to look at. But switch up your product, try different things, and ain't nothing like trying a different product. Okay, y'all, I just wanted to stop in and share that with you. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you do not miss a video. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.